Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the car safely. Park level, handbrake on, and chock the rear wheel. Once done, brake the lug nuts 1/2 turn while the wheel is on the ground so the stud won't spin. Then jack the car at the manufacturer lift point and place rated stands under the subframe. Make sure the vehicle is secure. After that, remove the wheel and expose the hub. This gets you immediately into the bearing area ready for disassembly. You now disconnect the ABS sensor and unbolt the caliper, then hang it so the brake line isn't stressed. Next, take off the rotor to reveal the hub nut. Remove the cotter pin and torque nut using an impact or long breaker bar. Once the nut's out, separate the hub from the knuckle. Use a hub puller or controlled hammer strikes on the hub face while protecting the spindle. Make sure to note orientation and remove any retaining clips before pulling the bearing out. You install the new bearing or hub assembly, making sure it seats fully and aligns with the knuckle, then torque the hub nut to the factory specification and insert a new cotter pin if required. Refit the rotor and caliper, reconnect the ABS sensor, and hand start lug nuts. Lower the car and torque the wheel nuts in a star pattern to spec. Once done, test drive at low speed to confirm there's no growl or play, and retorque lug nuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.